Hey everyone, today we're going to be checking out our new chair.
And if your height is in this range, it'll be suitable for daily, home, and office usage. The chair length and seat front and rear can be adjusted to meet the needs of different figures. The full chair size is 25.6 inches wide by 25.6 inches deep by 44.5 inches to roughly 51.2 inches tall. The seat size is 19.5 inches wide by 19.4 inches deep by 18.5 inches to 21.7 inches tall. And the back support office chair can even support up to 300 pounds. And the back angle will allow you to recline from 90 degrees all the way to 130 degrees. This ergonomic back support office chair even allows you to adjust the position of the waist support. The width of the waist supports 14 inches with 2 gears, which can flexibly adjust the position up and down. The breathable mesh cloth can not only reduce the pressure of the tail vertebrae, but also avoid the heat caused by long time sitting. It can also adapt to different sizes.